Evidence lane, the theory there is that you could get a decision much more quickly by not having a hearing. The issue is everybody wants their client to not have to wait this 4 years for a hearing. So everyone is now trying to utilize the evidence lane instead of the hearing lane, meaning the evidence lane is taking nearly as long as the hearing lane because the volume in the evidence lane is so high because everyone doesn't want people to have to wait 4 years for a hearing. Similar on the direct review process. It was supposed to be 365-day guarantee you would get a decision. That is not happening. There are simply too many cases in that line, if you will. So BVA is profoundly backed up. Understandably, when you hire an attorney, you think, oh my heavens, they're going to be able to miraculously get me a decision much more quickly. Unfortunately, legally, that's not possible because, again, BVA has to work cases in date order. So it's not that we don't care about your case or we're doing nothing. It is simply, legally speaking, we can't control the BVA's backlog. As an attorney's office, there is not a lot we can do to make things faster. The good news is that once the evidence window opens, whether it be in evidence lane or BVA hearing lane, there are many things we're able to do to get great results for our clients. So I'm telling you, gosh, we can't really make it a lot faster, but we can get you the benefits that you deserve. It sort of feels like, okay, we're waiting. Finally, you get a hearing, or finally we get to submit a written argument on your behalf in the evidence lane, and we're able to do things like helping you obtain nexus opinions, guiding you on sort of exactly why you have been denied, even just sort of tracking all of your claims within the current Appeals Modernization Act framework can be so confusing because you may have 4 or 5 different decisions that contain lots of different issues for service connection. That can become really, really confusing within the process. So certainly we keep track of all of that. And again, once we can finally get the board to hear us, whether it be in writing or in a hearing, we're so proud of the work that we do for our clients and getting them their benefits. It's just a matter of, again, waiting out the VA timeline.